Opportunities in Arizona right now are exploding. You have data centers coming from all over, semiconductors and support for semiconductors. We have manufacturers, advanced manufacturing all over.
The modern factory is just so different than what it used to be.
It's almost like a whole new world.
AIT, Automated Industrial Technology, is a program that prepares students for careers in advanced manufacturing, specifically smart manufacturing and robotics.
Manufacturing is changing, and the processes that we do things have all changed. Going to an AIT program can teach you all of the necessary skills to be able to transition into these new jobs that we're creating.
One of the best things about the AIT program that we offer is that we get that hands-on experience.
We create classes and structure that help them understand what they're going to see industry level. All our equipment is industry level equipment, so they're not running things virtually, they're not running things on computers, they're literally using the equipment that the industry tells us they need.
I'm more of a hands-on learner, so getting to plug things in, see what it does, and then have the instructor tell us what it's doing and how it's impacting the other components. It's definitely interesting to learn.
See, actually hands-on working with things really helps you grasp the concept of what you're doing a lot better.
I get to play with the robots a lot, and I like that.
You get to experiment with things and you don't get in trouble for it. It's encouraged. It's honestly a lot of fun.
Our instructors are from the community. They know what we see, what we need in the workforce.
They are industry trained, and they really truly know what the student needs, and they are one of the biggest mentors for our students.
A lot of the instructors will introduce themselves by saying that they're not a professor. They're bringing in the real world experience.
It's very helpful to have an instructor that's been in the field and knows what they're doing and knows the field, knows the industry.
I really like that she's able to correlate what we're learning in class to outside world things.
What's really important about the program or going to the school in these classes is that you're not just going to school and get a job. You are starting a career.
Following through the program in AIT and finishing within even a year, it is possible to jump straight into these career pathways. If you like tinkering with cars, if you like tinkering with electronics, and that just fascinates you and you like destroying things and taking them apart, this is perfect for you.
There's so much growth happening in the industry. It's definitely a really promising career path to be getting into right now.
There's nothing about it that's not worth it. The experience, the fun, the people you get to meet, the knowledge you get to gain, and the opportunities it opens up for you down the road are endless. There's really no reason not to take it.
This has opened up the door a lot for me. It's kind of cool to see how the future's progressing, and I want to be a part of it.